We are here in Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula.
We are outside of Merida in a small fishing town called Chelem.
Cuba and all that is much closer than America, so we're actually kind of far away from home, but it still feels kind of close.
What can you not like about the idea of coming to here?
There's beautiful ocean, palm trees, coconuts, everything that we always wanted. I hope we're gonna meet some people that can tell us a little bit about the culture and music and history around, this place, so we can make an interesting travel show. We are musicians, filmmakers, business partners, and
Stop talking.
well, best friends.
You better finish that.
I finished it? Oh my god. This show is about us and our dream of traveling the world together. But it's also a show about two guys trying to create a TV show and all the things that can possibly go wrong with that.
You okay? You okay?
Here is Nor Cherry. I am Jonas Peterson, and this is Out of Tune.
It's 5:30 in the morning. We are getting up early today because we are doing a pretty touristy thing, and we want to get there early enough to beat the crowds because there's some interesting sounds to record. It's 8:30. The sun is up. Mr. Nor is not up. So yeah. I think I'm just gonna wait.
Nor? Are you up?
Everybody knows about the wonders of the world. Great Wall of China is one of them. They change the wonders of the world every so often. They recently made Chichen Itza one of the new wonders of the world. And we're literally just an earshot away from it. We're going to Chichen Itza. Do you know what that is?
It's old ruins, it's like an old city. It's temples, I think, and there's supposed to be some interesting sound phenomenon where it's sort of an echo, I think, and what the legend says is that, it's animals talking back to you.
This is what we do. We travel around the world to discover unique sound phenomena, music cultures, learn new things, kind of be new students in someone else's home and let them share with us so that we can share with you.
It's really exciting. We'll see. I'll bring my violin and I'm gonna play into the ruins or temples, or is it actually pyramids,
Yeah, they're pyramids.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So they're old Mayan pyramids. Coconut water?
They sell it by the liters.
Oh, really? But there's nobody here.
Yeah.
I think it's too early in the day, probably. I mean, this is like Latin America. There's no morning. I was thinking that in the morning when I got up at 5:30, 6 a.m. I was ready and you weren't there. And then I realized that I'm in Latin America and you're half Latin American. And here, when you say call time is at 6, it probably means 7 or 8.
Oh my God. Well, you also forget I'm also half Malaysian too, so
yeah,
we do the same thing.
Oh, like, if we travel further south, like Brazil and stuff, I need to let go of whatever German time management thing I think I have. For me, 12 p.m. means 11:55.
That's not the reason. It's because I was really tired and my alarm went off, but I just did not wake up.
I don't know, I still feel like, and that's not even like, that's also what I like about you in a way, that you're more relaxed about time. Like, it's a good thing in a way. Also, it gives me a free pass because I know you're never gonna have a problem if I show up late. Chichen Itza.
It's Chichen Itza, not Chicken Itza.
But it looks like Chichen Itza.
No, it's not spelled like chicken. There's no K.
Oh, that's right. C-H-I-C-H-E-N. Yeah, looks like chicken to me. I want to see if I can bring my violin, because it would be nice to play like on the pyramids or something. Maybe if I tell them that, we want to play music, maybe that's good
Maybe
enough.
they don't care.
Should have brought your broken violin, put it in your backpack. You speak Spanish?
Un poquito. Mi español es muy malo.
How far is it? Like, do we have to walk still?
Like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Do you think they will let him in with that?
No, this one you need to go to left over there.
Why are there a lot of people here? Oh yes, because we got here so late because somebody didn't get up early enough.
Well, I'm sorry that I'm tired. I was listening to my body, Jonas.
Right. What? That's crazy.
Es posible, the film piece.
Put that one
Pero
away.
si es para una cuestión también comercial, tampoco se va a poder ninguna cámara.
We can't pay tax? No?
No es posible. Para que se eviten un problema con la policía.
So yo pequeño de cámara.
Sí, pero es para un turista normal.
Yeah.
Ustedes están haciendo otra cosa.
Oh my goodness. They had been taking pictures of us the whole time.
I saw the guy taking a picture of me. I was like, he could have just told me that I can't bring it in. That's what I was expecting.
So now we gotta walk all the way back, put our stuff away, and then walk back here. I almost don't want to come here anymore now.
And I'm still thinking that I want to smuggle the audio gear.
Jonas, I think it's too risky now. They're gonna check the bags. Okay, I got an idea. Come on, let's go. We made it in with a very small setup.
I didn't get to bring my violin. I wanted to play here, but they didn't let me, so. It's definitely more than just playing.
This is a city. I wonder what it sounded like back then with all this commotion and people being here.
Maybe it was like a square where people were like making music and stuff.
This is the observatory. This is where they studied the stars. This thing's still standing.
See if the stars are aligned to, you know, what to live life, I suppose.
Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot.
How old are these pyramids? How many thousand years?
The maker for the building is initial, the Mayan beginning is in 700 after the year Christ. The normal temple is 30 meters high. Inside they have a chamber, and inside the chamber they have the older god, is a jaguar.
We want to know the sound, the clapping, the sound, what it is.
Do you want to clap? Maybe then he understands. If you,
yes.
The singer. Okay, let me show you. And then for the video, we have the video for the singer.
Oh, it's an actual bird.
There's a listing, please.
So it's a ceremony for the bird.
Yes.
Okay. The bird is actually their god. So the temple, while it was built for jaguars, the sound is the bird is a god.
What I love most about this place is that usually I'm the only one running around clapping and listening. And all of a sudden here are all these people clapping. Because there's souls of ancient animals responding. I'll give it to you now for 20, no problem. It's my work.
We're gonna walk around, but I'm interested, okay? I'll come back.
15 now, take it.
Check these out.
El instrumento Maya.
Sí.
Con esta, acá.
Ah, sí.
Ujú.
¿Tú hablas inglés?
Un poquito.
Poquito de español.
Ajá.
¿Quena?
Es una quena.
Sí, like...
Ahí está.
This is really hard.
Como que soplas una botella. Así tienes que soplar eso. Ahí está.
Wow.
No, así como lo. Ve como ven.
How do you?
Mucha práctica.
Sí.
Mucha práctica.
Mucha práctica.
Sí.
Mucha práctica.
means we have to practice a lot.
Yeah. Okay. So how much is it? Like,
350.
350.
Okay.
Gracias, señor.
Gracias. Sí, una Kenia.
Quena.
Quena.
Quena. No Kenia. Quena.
Kena.
Quena. A ver.
Is it?
Quena.
Yeah.
Sí.
It's old Mayan.
Es un instrumento maya.
Instrumento maya.
Donde se hacían las danzas, maya danza. Antes, los mayas.
Sí.
Y en maya es tul.
This is my music.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
Esa is the handmade, 300 pesos, because this is para la música maya, esta original. Sí, mira, a mí igual me gusta la música, yo toco guitarra, sí. Toco guitarra.
Claro. Bueno.
¿Usted no toca guitarra?
Sí, sí, garabazo, drums, piano.
Usted es músico, ¿no? Violin. Play violin.
I play violin, yeah.
Respeto para el maestro.
Gracias. They didn't let me take me. I wanted to bring the violin here, but I wasn't
I
allowed.
only play guitar. I like music. Sí, lo mismo.
Sí, sí, Symphonic Planet.
¿En Facebook?
Sí,
Ajá.
sí. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram.
Mira, dame 250, tú puedes decir. O solo porque eres músico.
Toda tarde languidece, renace en la sombra. En la que tu loca petale vuelves a sentir.
Really? Yeah. You're working anthropology. Yeah. You're the perfect person. I'm looking for you.
What do you do?
We are musicians and filmmakers. We are interested in the music culture.
Tomorrow in the main square.
Tomorrow on the main square? Okay. Ignore.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Okay. All right. Well, to a first successful day. We found some sounds. Was that sound to get the bird to listen, or?
No. The people worshipped it. The bird is actually a god because the temple was literally speaking through the voice of the bird god.
It's crazy. Like an echo that comes back at a different sound. Like I've never heard that or seen or anything.
You haven't seen anything like that in your
Like
engineering?
an echo is always an echo. Like it can come in later or whatever, or be a little bit like more muddy or something. But like this just sounds completely different. Like it was insane. So my question is now, because we've just been basically like, scouting this place to see if it's something for a show. Like I don't think it would be like strong enough for an episode.
No, I don't think so. It's so touristy. It's a sound phenomena, but it's not exactly a cultural wonder of the world for us. And it's cool. The temple's history is really amazing, but in terms of music-wise, it's just a temple. There's really nothing else.
So I guess we'll keep looking, and I'm glad that you already connected with musicians here. It seems like we're getting somewhere with a story about Mayan cultures and music. Cheers. All right, to another episode.
Hagan una rueda cubana, porque ya empezó a bailar. Esa morena cubana no va a hacer hasta sudar. Acuarela trío, muchas gracias. Se va. Baila como para la cubana.
Buenos días. Buenas what? Torres?
Buenas tardes.
What does that mean?
You said good morning. Have you been saying good morning to everybody?